Friday morning, guys. I'm back in the kitchen making some nice salfish fritters. I haven't had this in a while, so I decided that I was going to have some. Look at them, guys. They're looking really, really delicious. I'm gonna have a taste. They also taste very, very delicious, guys. So, guys, please leave in the comment section down below. Let me know how they look to you, if you like the way how they look, and please continue to follow me, like up my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much for the uplifting comments what you left for me. I really love and appreciate each and every one of you. And like I said, guys, please support my TikTok channel and I will support yours. Thanks once more for the love and the support. See you soon in another one. Bye for now.